Hi! Hello! Come in, come in. Ito yung gusto ko, yung light eh. Kung makikita mo dito, you know what? Akala mo fix siya.
I love this theme.
Hi! Hello! Come in, come in.
Hi guys! So
Hello.
welcome to another property tour. So right now, we're here in Lafayette in Makati, and this is a penthouse by level. So we're going to give you a nice tour of this area. So come on guys!
Let's go.
Let's go! What I like about this unit is that it greets you with a wider space. So, ayan, nakita nyo, ito, ang laki ng reception area niya. And this one, meron pang part dito where you can, if you have guests, they can be a waiting area, or simply if you want to read books or want to have a quiet time, you can just sit here and, you know, see the whole area and the whole space. And guys, of course, there is a powder room here. So nice, very nice. This was renovated, but see that this is very modern, and you have a very chic tiles here. Mixed those three types or varieties over one area. So maganda yung combination niya. This powder room is that it gives you a little bit of traditional piece like this, but in a modern state. Yeah. Another favorite of this penthouse unit is that the living area is so cozy, and look at that. I love this theme.
I'm here in the kitchen area. What you can notice is very spacious. Plus the color combination yung gusto ko dito eh. It's like industrial, plus the color is gray with the purple with the light pink. So mix siya ng manly and chic design concept. Here, this is the dining area. If you have a small party or gatherings with your friends or family, you can put long table pa here para kung may buffet ka. Yan, dito. Ito yung gusto ko, yung light eh. Kung makikita mo dito, you know what, akala mo fix siya, pero you can move. Ayan. You can move para kung gusto mo ng light sa'yo. If you don't want the light, pwede mo siyang iikot. So you can turn. Ayan. See? Ayan.
And as we move along, inside this unit, you can see that every space has its function.
I love this space kasi still you have the view of Makati skyline. This area, it gives you privacy for your family.
So, do you want to see next level of this house? Come on guys. And let's tour the master's bedroom. Wow, don't you just love this view? And let's go to my favorite part of the master's bedroom, the the walk-in closet.
Come in, I'll show you the second room. This is the room that you can use as your bedroom, or you have the option to change it to your office room. Here's the third bedroom.
Thank you guys for watching our property tour for today. Hope you guys had fun.
See you next time. Bye guys!